Hello, I'm Haruta Taniguchi. Today, I'd like to talk about the depopulation of rural areas in Japan caused by the declining birth rate and aging population. So first, please take a look at this graph. This graph was made by the Minister of Land, Infrastructure, Transport, and Tourism. This graph shows the future population of one modeled mountain village with 1,000 people. As you can see, the population is expected to drop sharply over the next 40 years. So please look at these orange bars first. They show what will happen if nothing is done to stop the population decline. Although it is not written on this graph, the population in 2050 is expected to be only 309 people. This means the population will fall to less than one-third of what it was in only 40 years. And the red line shows the change in the aging rate of this village. It starts at about 35%, but rises gradually to 55% in only 40 years. So next, please look at these purple and green bars. They show what will happen if new residents move into this village. The purple bars assume 5 new residents per year, and green bars assume 10 new residents per year. But it shows that even if many people move into this village, the population will still keep going down. The decrease becomes a little bit slower. Unfortunately, however, this problem is not just about this model village. So please take a look at this map. This map was made by the Japan Policy Council. The red areas show regions that are expected to extinct within the next 40 years. As you can see, they are spread all over Japan, from Hokkaido to Kyushu, especially in mountain areas. Because of the depopulation in rural areas, it is very hard to maintain local economies and social services running. When there are fewer people, shops, public transportation, roads, water systems, hospitals, and care centers cannot continue to operate. Then jobs will decrease, and more young people will move to urban cities, and the problem will become even worse and worse. Also, elderly people might become more isolated, and marginal settlement will increase. Furthermore, traditional culture and local dialects may disappear. That means Japan's Japan's cultural diversity may gradually be lost. For example, in Matsunagi town in Ishikawa Prefecture, there used to be a festival called the Sunatori Bushi Festival, which was held to pray for the success in salt making. But this festival has stopped since 2023 because of the depopulation and the lack of young participants. So in conclusion, depopulation of rural Japan is not only a population problem, but it also has serious effects on the economy, society, and Japan's diverse culture.